Hello everyone, thank you for clicking on this video. This video tells the beauty of Mount Bromo. Don't forget to subscribe of this fun creator channel and give a thumbs up for this video. Mount Bromo is one of the favorite destinations in East Java. Mount Bromo is managed by the Bromo Tengger Semeru National Park Center TNBTS, Malang, a mountain that offers incomparable beauty. Mount Bromo is an active volcano. Its height is 2,329 meters above sea level. To climb it, visitors can climb the stair that number 250 steps. Visitors are very easy to reach the Mount Bromo tourist complex. Public transportation is available with various options. Private vehicles can also be driven to the limit of the sea of sand, or you can rent a jeep to enter the tourist area of Mount Bromo. Mount Bromo is one of the mountains in Tengger Mountains complex. Other mountains located there are Mount Batok, Mount Widodaren, Mount Watangan, and Mount Kursi. Therefore, mountains have a height more than 2,500 mdpl. Mount Bromo is located in 4 regencies at once, namely Probolinggo Regency, Pasuruan Regency, Lumajang Regency, and Malang Regency. The origin of the name Mount Bromo from Brahma, one of the gods in Hinduism. In Sanskrit, it is spelled as Brahma. Mount Bromo is considered sacred by the Tengger tribe who inhabit around Mount Bromo. They hold the Kasodo ritual once a year. At the foot of Mount Bromo there is a Hindu temple, Puraluhur Ponten. The temple, which was built in 2000, is used for Tengger Hindu worshippers. At Mount Bromo there is a legend of the local community. According to legend, the origin of the Tengger tribe is explained. In the past, on the island of Java, it was ruled by King Brawijaya of Majapahit, who has a daughter named Rara Anteng, who married Joko Seger, a descendant of Brahmais, when there was upheaval on the island of Java. Some people who are loyal to Hinduism fled to the island of Bali. Others withdrew and settled in the plateau at the foot of Mount Bromo. Led by Roro Anteng and Joko Seger, they become the Tengger tribe, short of the Anteng and Seger. That's the story of the legend found on Mount Bromo. Guess this is the end of the story, my video about the beauty of Mount Bromo. What do you think about Mount Bromo? Write your comment in comment columns. Sorry if in this video there are many mistakes in the pronunciation of the words. Thank you for those of you who watched my video to the end. Don't forget to share this video with your friend. See you in my next video.